this all you want. Cindy,
Yeah,
just
I
step out
am.
here.
Okay, so I want to repeat this. You're
I
telling
want you to walk
me
out there right now.
that you're giving me a criminal
I need you to
trespass
walk out there.
warning for having come into the clerk's office.
Hey,
And who did this? You said that the judge did this? Judge Danny Chambers
outside, ma'am.
issued a criminal trespass warning?
One second.
Okay, what's the reason for this?
I don't have the answer to that, ma'am. I just got called over here.
So I'm being told that I cannot enter into a public area to go to the clerk's office.
Hey, come on here, man.
Yeah, I'd like to have a better explanation on that.
Well, I can't offer that, ma'am.
Well, I think I need to have one because what was I doing that that says that I can't enter into a public building?
was a
Why?
misspeak on my part. Okay, according to the county attorney, it trespasses for all private offices that have no recording allowed. Okay, if it's a public area, you're welcome to it.
Those are public areas.
Let me finish, please. If it's a public area, you're welcome to it. If you need to go see the county clerk, go see the county clerk. Okay, but this is for all private offices that are clearly posted, no recording allowed.
I wasn't
Okay.
recording anything. Somebody at some time, and maybe it was the county attorney, that you're saying, decided in the past, well, if she comes back into this building, we will issue a criminal trespass warning against her.
Okay.
Something that I was not aware of. I didn't know anybody was going to do it. I was never told, hey, you can't enter into this thing because you might
That's why we're
record
here today.
something.
That's why we're here doing this today.
I understand. So how is it today that you knew that I was in the building?
Well, there's cameras in the building.
Oh, so you're looking through the camera and you said, oh,
No,
there
I'm
she
not.
is.
I'm not.
So somebody was. Who?
I
Who
don't
went and
know.
looked?
I don't know.
Okay, so you don't know who it was that said, look at this in this public building. There's somebody going in the clerk's office.
I don't know who was looking at the camera, but I was notified by the county attorney that you were here and that
So
you
the-
needed to be CT'd.
So the county
Listen,
attorney had decided previously that he would
I'm not gonna
CT
keep trying to
me.
talk over you.
Okay, all right, that's fine. But I'm
Okay.
going to have my say
But
about this.
The county attorney said you were in the building, you need to be CT'd from all private offices that have posted no recording if you're recording.
Okay, and this is what I'm saying.
Okay.
That is not, according to Alan, that's not against the law. But it is against the law to have something that's not even legal to put on the outside of these things.
Okay.
I've talked to Alan about this, and this is not something
What?
that is unlawful.
You're not listening to what I
But
said.
no, you're not listening to what I'm saying. I was not recording anything.
I know.
What
I
you're
understand
doing
that.
is something preemptively giving me a warning for something that I wasn't even doing. I have a question for you.
I'll try to answer it if I can.
Were you aware that there was something where it said that if I entered into this public building again, that I would be given a criminal trespass warning?
We probably need to ask Trey that. It was discussed.
Did you know
with
about
Trey.
it?
I did just here a few minutes ago when it was said in my office. I did just a few minutes ago.
This cop comes over, and says, hey, you need to step out in the hall. You need to step in the hall because I got to give you a criminal trespass warning.
Right.
I'm like, for what? What? And he says, well, that's if you go into somebody's private area and you record them. I said, I wasn't recording anything. I'm
But
like,
now
I am.
Right.
Now I am, and I'll admit it.
Right.
I'm recording something at
Right.
this point, but I was not.
Right.
I went to Alan, and I
Okay.
talked to Alan about it
Okay.
directly in his office.
Okay.
And he said, there is no law that says you couldn't go
Okay.
record. This is a one-party recording state.
Okay.
And so they can't, it's a public area where the commissioners are. So
Okay.
I think he's wrong. And that's
Okay.
after that Trey said, well, go ahead and sue me. And I thought,
I
who was going to
understand.
sue him? I wanted to find out actually if you're the person that's told him to do this criminal trespass warning.
I knew about it this morning when it was discussed. All right. So,
Did you know it before the cops came down the hall?
yeah, probably a few minutes. Yeah.
Okay, so you knew it and you didn't
Probably
say,
a few
hey,
minutes.
this is a dumb thing to do.
I didn't say anything.